Orange County Restoration Services, and we are at a job in Aliso Viejo today. We've been doing some water damage cleanup here in the ceiling of the kitchen, and we just got it dry. And the owner asked us if we could come take down our equipment today. We said sure, but the owner was in a hurry, so we decided to push the fridge back into place himself and reconnect the supply line. No problem, but he didn't make sure it was tight. Turns the water back on. That was last night. This morning I get a frantic phone call. There's water in the garage. I get over here and the water line to the fridge is leaking. So I take off the baseboard and I can see that it's all wet on the back of the baseboard. I start lifting up these wood floor planks and there's water under. And when I lift this one up, we can see all the water. Now this is cork. When cork gets wet, and it's in a confined space under the floor in a calm environment, it will mold because you've got the three things you need: a calm environment, a moisture content above 16%, and an organic material. So this floor is going to have to come out. There's water underneath this cabinet, but we're not going to tear the cabinet out. This is what they call a freshwater category 1 leak. It just happened last night, so we're not worried about mold. So we're going to take off the toe kicks. We're going to build a containment, we're going to bake this kitchen and get it warm and dry and pull all the moisture out of all the building materials without doing a bunch of demo. This floor, we're going to leave it in a place where it can bake and get dry as well, and we're going to take up as much of the flooring as we need to make sure that we get all the flooring up. Because with this plastic moisture barrier here, the water is underneath it, and this water will continue to travel, seek equilibrium, find more organic material, which are the sill plates and the drywall in the perimeter of this kitchen, and grow mold. So we're going to make sure we get it all dry, but we're not going to do a lot of demo. That way we can get this thing done as quick as possible and save the owners a bunch of money.